Fused lenses? Wait, they make replacement lenses for your brand name sunglasses? How does it work? How do you get your replacement lenses into your frames? What about prescription or polarized lenses? In today's video, you'll learn how Fused lenses works, how to replace lenses, and all about our lens options so that you can make the most of your name brand sunglasses. All right, real quick, what did the lenses say to the police officer? If you think you know the answer, make sure to comment below. I'll tell you the answer later in the video. Hey, I'm Eric, and welcome to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel, the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Now, before we dive into how Fused lenses works, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you know every time when we post weekly new videos. If you don't already know, Fused Lenses was created by Brandon Dill and John Martino. And if you want to learn more about their backstory and the creation of Fused Lenses, make sure to click on the video link below. To give you the shortened version, John and Brandon wanted to create the highest quality lenses for all the brands you love, like your Oakley Holbrooks, your Ray-Ban New Wayfarers, or your favorite pair of Costa Del Mar shades. The thing is, we know over the years, sunglasses can experience some wear and tear, especially when it comes to your lenses. I mean, and look, who really wants to spend more money on expensive sunglasses just because the lenses are scratched, or your favorite brand has discontinued the model, or just doesn't even offer replacement options? No one, right? And I don't mean to toot our own horn, but this is why Fused Lenses is so great, because we found a better alternative to throwing away your perfectly good sunglass frames and then spending hundreds of dollars on a new pair. So now that I've talked your ear off about who we are and what we do at Fused Lenses, let's jump into exactly how Fused Lenses works. Real quick, you guys remember that joke I told you earlier? What did the lenses say to the police officer? I was framed! Well, this leads us right into how to replace your lenses so you can get more out of your frames. So, your favorite lenses are cracked. What's next? Well, the first thing you'll want to do is visit our website at fusedlenses.com. After that, you'll click on the tab labeled Lenses, and then you find your brand. Once you've found your brand, it'll show all the different models and the lenses we can replace specifically for that brand, and walk you through a few simple steps. So, just an example. Let's say I need to replace my new Wayfarer Ray-Ban lenses. I just click on Ray-Ban, click on New Wayfarer, and then choose the frame size. Now, the frame size won't apply to every brand, but for this specific pair of Ray-Bans, it does. Now, if you can't find your style, you can use our custom lenses program where we can replace lenses and models that aren't necessarily on the list. You want to learn more about this particular program? Well, there's a link to the custom lenses program in the description below. So your next step will be to choose your lens color. At Fused Lenses, we offer over 20 different colors that also provide a unique lens view and finish. And just to be clear, the lens color is what everyone looking at you will see. The lens view is what you'll see when you're wearing the lenses, and the finish refers to the finish on the surface of the lens. So think mirrored or tinted. Each color provides something unique, and it will be important to go through the descriptions to figure out which one is best for you. So let's say I'm back on the Fused Lenses website and looking to replace my new Wayfarer Ray-Ban lenses. Now I can choose either 1, polarized plus anti-reflective, 2, polarized, or 3, non-polarized. We recommend the Fused Plus polarized with anti-reflective option because it offers optical grade polycarbonate and extra coatings for reduced glare, increased eye comfort, extra durability, and a hydro-oleophobic coating that makes your lenses water and oil resistant. And to top it all off, we offer a lifetime, one-time replacement warranty on all Fused Plus lenses. So once you've picked out your lenses and you're ready to check out, you have the option to either 1, have your lenses sent to you, or 2, you can choose our Concierge Service. Now, if you choose to get your lenses sent to you, easy. You'll just pop out your old lenses and replace them with your new Fused lenses. And believe me, we know replacing lenses can sound stressful, but we promise you it's not hard. And lucky for you, we've got a number of videos on our channel that walk you through step-by-step how to replace your lenses. Hint, hint, this would be a great time to subscribe to our channel right now if you haven't already. Now, if you'd rather let the pros handle replacing your lenses, you can choose our Concierge Service. And this process is super simple and easy as well. We'll send you a box with everything you need and cover the shipping and handling. You send in your frames, and we'll handle the installation and send them back to you fully replaced and ready to wear. So you may be thinking, but Eric, what if the lenses I need to have replaced are prescription lenses? Well, don't worry, because Fuse Lenses makes custom RX lenses as well. All you need to do is click on the prescription tab at the top of the website. Pick your lens's color, coatings, lens type, lens material, pupillary distance, or PD. Fill out some info about your frames, and you're good to go. Once the order is complete, the next step is to send us your frames. We'll mail you a secure, prepaid box, and once it arrives, you'll just package up your frames and ship them off. We'll send you an email where you can upload your RX prescription, and easy peasy, your work is done. So, for those of you who may be thinking, why replace my lenses when I could just out and buy new sunglasses? Well, there's a number of reasons. Broken lenses don't equal broken frames. If your lenses are scratched or cracked, but your frames are perfectly fine, why waste them? Replacing lenses for a fraction of the cost is a way better deal than wasting your frames and buying a new, more expensive pair of sunglasses. And when you choose to replace your lenses instead of throwing them out, you're being way less wasteful, more sustainable, practical, and just plain smart. Remember, sunglasses are something that you wear and use while you're out experiencing all that life has to offer. So why waste money on sunglasses that you don't need when you could spend that money on badass adventures, experiences, and memories? Alrighty guys, that's all for today. I appreciate you watching the video, and if you want to learn more about Fuse Lenses, make sure to check out our website, fuselenses.com. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.